Do you struggle to keep dog hair out of your car? Gets all over the carpet and everything. Well, I found a solution that's working pretty good. Is this dog car seat, and it's a padded, comfortable car seat that straddles across my bench seat here in the back of the vehicle with a foam padded insert here that can be removed and can be washed and cleaned. It's got an easy zipper along this edge here, so you can remove the foam and then wash this really soft, really well-made fabric it's really plush. I mean, it's comfortable. I'd like to lay on this thing. But it's padded all the way around. It's got the front edge there and on that side as well, so that your dog can lay down, put his head perhaps on this part, and get comfortable laying on the mat. It's got adjustable straps. You just lace them over the back seat, over the headrests, and that'll hold this back portion up. And then down underneath here, they provide you with little seat belts. So I can actually latch this right into my vehicle, and that'll click right into place, and that'll hold the base of it, so that way I don't have a problem if I hit the brakes with this thing coming off the seat. It'll stay connected to the back of the seat there. Let's get my dog in here and see how he likes it. Okay, up here. On your bed. Up here, on your bed. Good boy. And you can see my dog here, he's about 94 pounds, and he fits on here just great. Plenty of room. Go ahead, boy. Blaze, let's lay down. Good boy. And see, he's got plenty of room here. He likes to put his head on this pillow around the sides. Real comfortable for him. He definitely likes this new bed. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.